In this video, we will talk about the process HPS takes when replacing mechanical room floors. Mechanical rooms are filled with all types of equipment and systems. Epoxy floors help protect from chemical spills and foot traffic seen in this type of environment. The first step we take is to diamond grind the existing floors until we reach the concrete slab. Once we finish, we tidy up around the hard-to-reach areas with our hand grinders before cleaning up the workspace. Finally, once everything is clean and prepped, we apply the system primers, broadcast the anti-slip silica mesh, and apply the top coat. Not only does epoxy create a durable chemical-resistant barrier, but it also makes your floors much easier to clean. To find out more about epoxy floors, visit hpsfloors.com or call us at 732-384-5577.